So I was just assaulted. No, every morning I normally run and do push-ups, sit-up, planks, and basically walk, come back on my yard, because I normally run either two, run 2 mile or 1 mile, and so every morning. And then after I reach my destination, then I do the other strength training exercises. Now, mind you, I run by myself, but it's not that far from my home. No, this person, I saw them like a couple times now. Person saw me. We never really exchange words because we don't know each other. Now, I don't know what tempted the person today, but I was passing and they groped me from behind, right? Then I swung back and I threw my water bottle with water inside of it at the person, and they ran. After he ran, I began to go after him because I was in a temper. Then he kept running, and then I decided that I'm not even going to run down this person. I stopped. The person took a couple feet up back to me and said that they're going to continuously do this to me because they want my body. That is a clear indication to me that I'm going to continuously be assaulted by this person. And in the person's head, I'm not going to do anything about it. I just tried to call the police to make a report. The female that answered the phone aggressively, she hung up, right? But before she hung up, she said, "I can't hear you." And she just hung up the phone. No. If I was in an emergency situation, she would literally hang up the phone in an emergency, life and death emergency. But thank God I wasn't having a life and death emergency. No. If I go ahead and call somebody to say, "Hey, yo, let's go up there so and do this XYZ and the third," or I take something and go up there, go do XYZ and the third because I can defend myself. But I'm not going to defend myself in a female way where I'm going to try to physically fight a man. I'm going to do it another way. And if I really come from Jamaica, you know which way I talk about. Now, I can do that. But I tried to make a complaint. The police hung up on me. What I'm going to do is go in the town and make an official report in the station. Because the next time it happens, I am telling you, people them go off to kill me. People them go off to kill me. Because I will never be a victim. I will always be a survivor. Never be a victim. Never be a victim. Because you see police, them come after crime done. You see police, when I call them in an emergency, they want to hang up phone by you. Imagine I'm going to make an official report, because the next time it happens, it's either I'm going to go down or he's going to go down. And again, as I said, I'm no fool. I'm not going to physically try to fight a man, but I will defend myself aggressively and stand my ground. So police, you can go and hang up. And you see, when me defend myself, they don't can come haul and pull me.